Today we're going to bring an iPad case. If you guys notice, this case is beautiful, well lid, and there's an area to rest your pencil in here in this area. All right, so if you own a pen, the pen will go in there in this slot right here. That's pretty much what you can do. Set it up. You got access button to the buttons itself. Not only that, look how secure the pen is. Look at this. Put it there if you want. You could do that. If you're writing, setting up, fits perfectly on this case. Now let's take a look at the actual case itself, all right? It's durable in case you drop it. It has plenty of room for the camera in here. Plenty of space on the bottom for the speakers, the connection. And look at this beautiful little setup right here. You're gonna be able to see the pen on this side, of course. And everything's flexible. This is like a silicone base cover, and it covers up pretty much with like a Velcro. Pretty slick Velcro area, but this is actually magnetic. It turns off the system itself, and it fits really good if you're ever gonna travel or drop it. And it has that extra protection of shock on this side, so you have plenty of space for your pen, plenty of room for the actual microphone and the actual speakers on the bottom and the top, and pretty much really set up, really good setup, of course. I like this feature. It's really smooth. It covers it, and it's a see-through cover in here. It gives it extra protection, but it's not waterproof. All right, your iPad should be waterproof recently, but if you need extra, you have to buy a cover for it too. Now, a feature I like about it, it's you're never gonna lose your pen if you have it in here too. So easy to set up. It wasn't very difficult. If you notice, it comes out very simple. The side of it's all silicone. Just to give you a little heads up on the buttons itself, there is an extension for the buttons in here. That's to give you extra protection, all right? So if you guys can see the buttons, I'm gonna actually try to zoom in some more. You can see the buttons right there. It pushes them, all right? It's a push button, right? So if you're concerned about this part right here, it's not gonna give you any kind of issues or anything. Right now we do have a protective layer. We're gonna have to remove it. And of course, that's how they comes in. They give you the little thing to remove it, but we're gonna keep it together right now, see if it can last a little longer. So shock-proof, drop it from anywhere, should last it for many years. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe